good day guys! This is a tutorial about the 7 basic parts of the Cartesian coordinate plane and how to plot points in the Cartesian coordinate plane. Cartesian coordinate plane is a plane where coordinate points were being plotted, and it was introduced by the famous French mathematician René Descartes. This is a Cartesian coordinate plane. This horizontal line is what we call the x-axis or abscissa. And this vertical line is called the y-axis or ordinate. The point of intersection of these two axes is what we call the point of origin. And the coordinates of the point of origin is 0, 0. The right portion of the x-axis from the point of origin is positive. And the left portion of the x-axis from the point of origin is negative. The upper portion of the y-axis from the point of origin is positive, and the lower portion of the y-axis from the point of origin is negative. Cartesian coordinate plane is also composed of 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1, the quadrant 2, Quadrant 3, and the Quadrant 4. The sign of the coordinate points in Quadrant 1 is always positive. Positive, positive. While in the Quadrant 2, the signs of the coordinates are negative, positive. In Quadrant 3, the signs of the coordinates are negative, negative. And in Quadrant 4, positive, negative. So, here you go, the 7 basic parts of the Cartesian coordinate plane. Now, I'm going to teach you how to plot points in the Cartesian coordinate plane. The main structure of points in the Cartesian coordinate plane looks like this. The first point is the x-coordinate, while the next point is the y-coordinate. If the value of the x-coordinate is positive and the value of the y-coordinate is positive, the point will lie in quadrant 1. And if the value of the x-coordinate is negative and the value of the y-coordinate is positive, the point will lie in quadrant 2. And if the value of the x-coordinate is negative and the value of the y-coordinate is negative, the point will lie in quadrant 3. And if the value of the x-coordinate is positive and the value of the y-coordinate is negative, the point will lie in quadrant 4. There you go, the 4 basic patterns of points in the Cartesian coordinate plane. Now, we're going to plot points. For example, we're going to plot point A, which has the coordinates of 3 and 4. So, where do you think point A will lie to? In quadrant 1. since the value of the x coordinate is positive and the value of the y coordinate is positive. Now, we will count 3 from the point of origin to the x-axis because it is positive. 1, 2, 3. And 4 upwards because the value of the y coordinate is positive. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Point A. Another example is we are going to plot point B, which has the coordinates of -3 and -4. So, where do you think point B will lie to? In quadrant 3. Since the value of the x coordinate is negative and the value of the y coordinate is negative. So, we are going to count 3 from the point of origin to the left portion of the x-axis because it is negative. 1, 2, 3. And 4 downwards because the value of the y coordinate is negative. 1, 2, 3, go. There you go. Point B. -3, -4. That's all. Thank you. I hope you learned something from me.